Understanding, verify the answer. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a very common phrase in English, verify the answer. This might seem simple at first glance, but it's packed with meaning and usage contexts. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations and academic settings. Get ready to expand your English vocabulary and improve your comprehension skills. First, let's break down the phrase. Verify is a verb, and it means to confirm the truth or accuracy of something. This could be information, a fact, or in our case, an answer. When you verify something, you are essentially checking to ensure that it is correct or true. This action implies a need for accuracy and certainty. The answer refers to a response or solution, typically to a question or problem. In English, the answer is not just any response, but one that is considered or proposed as solving or responding to a specific question or problem. It's important to note that an answer implies a certain degree of finality and specificity. Now, let's combine these concepts. When someone says, verify the answer, they are asking to confirm that the response or solution to a question is accurate. This phrase is commonly used in academic settings, like during exams or research, as well as in everyday situations where accuracy is important, such as following instructions or confirming information. Examples in academic context. After solving the math problem, I always verify the answer to make sure I didn't make any mistakes. The teacher asked us to verify the answers before submitting our tests. Examples in everyday situations. When I'm cooking a new recipe, I like to verify the answer to my questions about measurements or ingredients. Before sending an important email, verify the answer you've written to ensure it addresses all the questions asked. To effectively verify an answer, consider the following tips. 1. Cross-check with reliable sources. Always look for authoritative sources to confirm the accuracy of an answer. 2. Ask for expert opinion. Sometimes, consulting with someone knowledgeable can help verify if your answer is correct. 3. Revisit the original question. Ensure that your answer fully and accurately addresses the question posed. 4. Practice critical thinking. Assess the logic and evidence supporting the answer to judge its validity. Verify the answer is a powerful phrase that underscores the importance of accuracy and truth in communication. As you continue learning English, remember that verifying information is key to understanding and effectively using the language. We hope this video helps you grasp this concept better. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using verify the answer like a native speaker. Happy learning and see you in our next video.